Welcome to H3 Splash Studio, where colors come to life. Today we will learn about blue. Do you guys know what blue is? Blue is the color of sky. Blue is the color of the sky, imagination, freedom, and inspiration. But there are many meanings of blue. Yale blue, a deep, rich blue that can be achieved by using a dark blue base, like ultramarine blue with a small amount of black. Pigeon blue. Pigeon blue, a muted grayish blue mix with a base blue with a small amount of black and a touch of gray. Sky blue. Sky blue is a light bright blue mix of a primary blue with a large amount of white. Baby blue. Baby blue is a very light pastel blue using a high ratio of white to a blue base. Navy blue. Navy blue is a deep dark blue mix of a base blue with a significant amount of black. Steel blue. Steel blue is created by starting with a base of blue and blending in a gray to achieve a muted cool tone. To refine the color, add a touch of white for a softer, lighter finish, resembling polished steel. Azure, a bright, vibrant blue with a slightly greenish undertone, mixed with a primary blue, with a touch of green and a moderate amount of white. Blue. Blue is a primary color, so it cannot be made. Now let's say all the color names together. Yale blue, pigeon blue, sky blue, baby blue, navy blue, steel blue, azure blue. Now make a story that is blue. Alright, guys? But you have to use your imagination to make the story. Bye bye. Guys, answer our question. What is blue? Please answer the question in our quiz.